Get litty.
Alright guys, how's everyone going? What's up YouTube? I don't know if I still know how to motovlog. It's been a minute since I've been out on the bike. Been super busy. I don't even know who this cat is, but he's got a super clean F4i. And yeah, just I don't know if he's gonna be riding with us or not, but he's chilling. I think I'm trying not to get pulled over. I'm meeting a couple people up at the mall. You want to pull over? Can pull over up there? What's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going?
Chilling. What year?
01. I'm Nate, by the way.
I'm Alex. Nate?
Yeah,
nice to meet you. Where you going?
I'm actually going to Merle's Inn. I'm about to play some basketball.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm meeting a couple guys up at the mall. We're gonna go riding for a little bit. But yeah, man, subscribe to the channel. And you got Snapchat?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it's actually 2001. It's the first fuel injector they made.
That's clean, man. It is really clean for an 01.
Check out how many miles is that.
What?
2,783.
How?
I bought it from this like pretty old dude in Conway. He was like 75. He's like, oh, I bought it when I was like 55. I rode it to church on Sundays, and now it's just.
Dude, that's crazy. That is probably the cleanest one.
Crazy. This is for YouTube, dude. Fucking these tires are the factory tires from 2001. They're 20 years old.
Holy shit.
Dude. Bridgestone hasn't made motorcycle tires in like 15 years.
Holy shit. My buddy Jake, he's on another R1, and I don't know who else is coming out. I've got a buddy on a Gixxer 1000. One of my buddies has an F4i and a CBR 1000. So
I might just ride with y'all instead because I'm already hella late. They said they were meeting at like 4:30.
Hey man.
So I might just ride with you the whole way.
Cool. Sounds good to me. I can try to pop a power wheelie. I don't do clutch ups.
Power wheelies in like first gear. That's about it. Yeah, I'll hit you with one.
Let's see if I can hit a power wheel. Hit a little baby wheelie for him. So what's going on, guys? How's everyone doing? Let me know down in the comments how everyone's doing, man. Talk to me. I reply to everybody. I try to. If you guys haven't already, leave a like down on the video. I greatly appreciate it. Shout me out. Share it with a friend. Post it to MySpace. Post it to Pornhub. Post my channel everywhere, man. Man, I've been really torn about either keeping this bike or what in the hell? I've been torn about keeping this bike or selling it and saving up for a newer R1, man. I don't know, I'm so torn. The newer R1's body style is amazing. I like the way the bike sounds. Traction control, gear indicator, man. You get the goodies, man. And that's how you make friends, man. You just kind of stop and talk real quick. This is Nate. Finally found out his name. He's been riding longer than I have. So yeah, I have no destination today to ride. I'm just meeting up with Jake at the mall. He's got the R1 that you guys have seen on the channel, and Nate's gonna come along, tag along with us. And we don't really have anywhere to go. We don't really have anywhere to go. We're just gonna cruise around. Woo! There we go. Got it up a little bit. That was a really nice flyby. His exhaust sounds pretty good. I don't know what it has on it. I didn't look at it that close, but that's my boy. All right, and we made it. Alright guys, so we're at the mall finally, and I just got to do a walk around of this really clean 2001 F4. You guys will not believe, this is a 2001, only 2,000 miles on it. Still the factory tires. Two Brothers Racing exhaust, that's why it sounds so good. And it looks like a full system too. Yup, full system. Oh my god, guys, look at this thing. This thing is clean. If you don't believe me, look at this. Look at it. 2,801 miles. I'm not lying to you. That is insane, guys. Alright, and all we're doing is waiting on Jake, so whenever he gets here, we'll ride out. Alright guys, so we got Cole on his Ducati, we've got Nate that I just met on his 01 F4i, we've got Jake on the R1, me on the R1. We're just gonna cruise, head south a little bit, and enjoy ourselves. Do you need to fill up, Nate? Here, I got you. I only use diesel though. What? No. Man, it is beautiful outside today, man. It was like in the 80s. Now it's cooling off a little bit, but it's still gorgeous out, man. Hey, first or second? Second? All right. I hope we get a red light, man. I hope we get a red light so we can do a dig race, man. Ah, yes!
I'm just too white. I'm so white.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you have not already. And share it with a friend. Again, we had Nate on his F4i, we had Jake on his R1, and Cole on his Ducati. We're just going to cruise out for a minute and then part ways and head home without getting pulled over, and stay safe.